I was very self-conscious with my smile. I had a couple of teeth that were very small, even though they were adult teeth. They were very small, so it made my smile very lopsided. And just because of other dental issues that I had two teeth that were very dark in color, and so I was very self-conscious always about this one area of my mouth. And so when I came to Dr. Nino, he just said, I can fix that. And I said, yeah, I don't know yet. And it took me a little while, and then finally he showed me some results of some other people. And when I got to talk to them about it feels like natural teeth, it was the confidence I had in Dr. Nino. Because he's like, the material has changed. It's not like it used to be years ago. This will last, and it's going to feel natural. And I think that him being able to stelch my fears, so to speak, allowed me to have the freedom to go, okay, let's do this. And I say that because, anytime anybody's going to do extensive work in your mouth, it's scary. And because it's permanent and everybody sees it. And so I was very hesitant until then. And then at that point, when he told me the material has changed, that's when I was like, okay, I'm ready. He numbed me up a little bit, and we had to file down the smaller teeth. And then he took a picture of everything. And it was very painless. And they took an impression. They sent it out to a lab. They brought it back and put it back in. It was like 2 weeks that I had to wait for the final veneers. And when they went in, they're just permanent. They're just always there. So, and there was no adjustment period. Like, I didn't have to get used to them. They just felt natural. I would recommend Dr. Barbaro, and I actually have several times, because of the quality care. He truly cares about his patients from beginning to end. And he doesn't, if you're not satisfied with something or something doesn't work the way you thought it was, he will fix it. And just the fact that he stands behind his product, his quality of care 100%, means a lot today. He cares about you as a person to make sure that you're comfortable with what the procedures have been done and that you are happy with the results.